This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need a minimal toolset now: a code editor, Git, and a browser. First, install VS Code and set Git name and email, then create a project folder and run Git in it. Once done, add a gitignore for node modules and create index. HTML using HTML5 boilerplate. Make sure to open that file in your browser and refresh as you edit. This immediate feedback loop teaches structure and layout fast, so you learn by doing rather than just reading. Now wire styles and behavior. Link a separate styles. CSS and use CSS Grid or Flexbox for your main layout because responsive design matters from the start. Next, add app. JS and practice selecting elements with query selector and attaching event listeners. You'll see how UI changes come from code. Once comfortable, introduce simple tooling. Run npm init and install a dev server or formatter. However, only add packages when they solve a clear problem to avoid needless complexity. To finish, deploy and verify. Push your repository and use GitHub Pages or Netlify for a one-click public site, then test across screen sizes and run the browser console for errors. Make sure to validate links and basic accessibility because small fixes improve reach. If something breaks, isolate the issue by commenting blocks and using console log, or perform a binary search of recent changes to find the commit that introduced the bug.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.